Here's how I drew this hedgehog, from sketch to shading. Let's go step by step. Let's start with a simple circle. This will be Sonic's head. Use light pencil strokes so it's easy to adjust later. Draw a vertical center line to define the direction he's facing and help keep things symmetrical. It's a basic setup but essential for a strong foundation. As you can see, I used diagonal lines to mark where the ears grow from. It's very important to place the elements before actually drawing them. Only patience and effort lead to great results. So take your time and think through each step carefully. Next, draw Sonic's facial features. His eyes are large, sharp, and angled inward to give him that confident, edgy look. Notice how his eyes merge together in the center but are slightly separated. His muzzle extends downward like a soft crescent shape. This helps give the head volume. Don't be afraid to exaggerate expressions. Cartoon characters look more alive when their features are bold and expressive. Time to sketch the body. Sonic has a compact, athletic shape. His head is noticeably larger than his torso, which gives him that classic cartoon vibe. Use flowing lines to define the spine, arms, and legs. His stance is slightly forward-leaning. It already suggests motion. Use a line of action, one smooth curve through the body, to add energy to the pose. Try to place symmetrical parts one after the other. If you draw the left arm, draw the right one right away. This helps keep the character balanced and stable. Now we add signature features. Sonic's iconic back spikes curve dramatically behind him, emphasizing speed. Fun fact about me, the first Sonic game I ever played was Sonic Adventure on the Sega Dreamcast. His gloves are round and puffy, his shoes are big with thick soles and clean shapes. Don't worry about making it perfect, just focus on the basic structure and rhythm. Remember, a good silhouette makes your character recognizable even without the details. One of the most important insights that helped me improve my drawing skills was realizing this. The slower you draw at first, the faster you'll learn, and the faster you'll draw later. Time to go over the clean lines. Erase construction lines gently and trace the final contours with more confidence. Vary the pressure. Stronger lines for foreground parts, lighter lines where there's less emphasis. Tip: line weight variation adds depth. A single line thickness can make the drawing look flat. If you're wondering where my hand keeps going, I'm just wiping off the pencil before it ruins the whole drawing. Now separate the materials by tone. This will create the necessary contrast, and already at this stage will start to bring the character to life a little. Leave highlights on the eyes, muzzle, and stomach. Think of the light coming from the top left. Build up shadows gradually. It's easier to darken later than to fix overworked areas. Deepen shadows where surfaces overlap, like under the spikes, arms, and between the legs. Add softer transitions with layered strokes. Tip: think of shading as sculpting. Light carves form just as much as line does. There's nothing too difficult about drawing volume. If it feels challenging, just start small. Imagine the darkest areas where no light reaches, and shade those first. You don't need to render the full form or think about reflections yet. For now, that's more than enough. You can also softly darken the edges of each part to make them feel more solid. Almost done. Add crisp highlights to the eyes and nose, strengthen outlines on key parts to bring the character forward. If you've made it this far, chances are you're enjoying the content on my channel. So feel free to subscribe, leave a like, and share your thoughts in the comments. Use an eraser to clean the edges and enhance lighting. And there you have it. Your very own Sonic is complete. Thanks for drawing with me. Don't forget, every awesome drawing starts with a simple circle. Keep practicing and have fun with your characters.